of all, take a look at this Channel AI Classroom, which creates videos exactly like the ones I make. And you can also see its earnings, which range from $768 to $12,000 per month as estimated monthly income. The channel has uploaded 24 videos and has around 44.2k subscribers. And if you check the views, some videos have 1.7 million views, 112k views, 778k views, and even 2.9 million views. This clearly shows that this type of content is performing very well. You can also create videos like this completely for free and very easily. Today, I will show you how to create these trending videos using the latest tools and how to use these prompts effectively. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will provide the prompts in the comment section. I will also guide you on how to use them properly, and please make sure to leave at least one comment from your side. Thank you so much. I will give you these prompts for free. Now let's get started and learn how to create trending videos step by step. Let's start step by step. First, you need to open ChatGPT. After that, I will give you a prompt. You just have to copy it. Like I do, simply copy and paste the prompt. There are two ways to use it. First method, you will see the text written here. First, copy it. After copying, paste it into ChatGPT and write. Look at these three prompts, and based on them, give me 7 best ideas for creating short videos. Since we are making short videos, not long ones, this method helps us grow faster. Short videos channels get monetized quickly and grow faster. After that, ChatGPT will give you 7 very good ideas, which you can easily use. Second method, let me explain. For example, if I write 3, it will automatically pick the third idea. If you like that idea, it will generate image prompts and video prompts for you. There is another way as well. For that, open ChatGPT. Again, copy all the prompts again, paste them. Then copy the line written below and paste it too. After that, write, look at these 3 prompts. I want to create a video exactly like them. Please give me 7 image prompts and also provide 7 video prompts for each image so I can turn them into videos. Then ChatGPT will generate the best prompts for you, including both image prompts and video prompts. Now what you have to do, first, create the image using the image prompt, then copy the video prompt, paste it into your video tool, and your video will be ready easily. Now we will create the first image, and I'll guide you about the speed and process. Now, for creating the next image, we will use Pixelmator. Here, you will see the Get Free option. Click on it. After that, you need to log in using your Gmail account. Once you are logged in, click on the Image option. Now select the size according to your need. If you want to make shorts, choose 9:16. If you want long videos, you can select 16.9. For example, I will select 9:16 because I want to create shorts. After that, paste your first prompt. As soon as you paste it, your image will be generated. You can see the image looks amazing and exactly as needed. Now simply copy the next prompt, paste it, keep repeating. Your images will start generating one by one. Pixelmator is a very good website for creating images. It also gives free daily credits, and you can even use different Gmail accounts to generate more images daily. As you keep copying and pasting prompts, your images will continue to generate. As you can see, all the images are now ready and look very impressive. Now next, we will create videos and also generate audio. First, we will create audio. I will show you how to create audio for free. Next, we will create an AI voice for free using a tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech. This is one of the best tools to generate realistic AI voices, and you can use it for free at unlimitedai.tools. You can also create AI images for free on this platform, but here I will show you how to generate AI voices for free. If you can't find the tool, leave a comment and I will share the link with you. Believe me, this tool gives daily free credits, so you can create AI voices every day without paying. Here's how it works. Open the AI text-to-speech generator. Copy the ChatGPT prompt or any text you want to convert into voice and paste it into the tool. Select any voice from the available options. For example, Blaze Alex is one of the best voices, but for demonstration, you can choose any voice. Click Generate. Remember, you can generate up to 1,000 words at a time, but you can split longer scripts into multiple parts to complete the voice. Once generated, your AI voice is ready, and you can listen to it immediately.
A beautiful 3D animated scene of a strawberry and a banana walking side by side on a peaceful beach during sunset. Both characters are fully...
Now that the AI voice is ready, we can move on to creating our AI video. The first website I want to share is Digen.ai. This is an amazing platform that gives you 300 free credits when you start, which is enough to create 10 AI videos. After that, the website provides daily credits, so you can continue making AI videos easily every day. Right now, I have over 3,200 credits in my account because I've been logged in for a while, which allowed me to create a lot of videos. If you want to make more AI videos, Digen.ai is one of the best websites for it. The great thing is, even if you don't use it for a day, it still gives you automatic daily credits, just like my account. This makes it a perfect tool to keep generating AI videos without worrying about running out of credits. First, we will create an AI video using this amazing website. Click on Create, then go to Upload. Start by uploading your first image. Take the prompt for this image, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. The video will start creating automatically. After that, upload your second image and repeat the same steps. Paste the prompt and click Generate. The video will start again. This process takes a little time, but using this method, you can easily make 2 complete videos. You can even create 10 to 15-minute high-quality videos this way. Now for the next step, we will use Pixverse AI to create AI videos for free, which is a very powerful and amazing website with high-quality results. First, click on the Get Free or Sign In option and log in using your email. After logging in, you will receive around 60 to 90 daily free credits. Then go to the credits section where you can earn more credits by watching ads, downloading the app, rating the app, customizing your profile, or inviting friends using your referral link where you can earn up to 440 credits. Each video usually costs about 25 credits, so you can easily create many videos. After that, click on the Upload option, select your image, paste your video prompt, and start generating the video. It will take a little time, and then your video will be ready with great results. You can also use Vision AI for similar purposes, and once your video is ready, simply download it and now your images and videos are fully prepared. And in the next step, we will edit the video. First, I will use CapCut to edit the final video. CapCut is a very good software for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I will edit my video, add effects, and make it ready to watch. You can see the final result now. Thanks for watching. Next time, if you have any questions about this video, send me a message or comment and I will answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Next time, I will bring another method for you. Thanks for watching.